Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the data. Convert the range to an Excel table so filters and formulas adapt automatically. Once done, enable the Developer tab and insert 2 search boxes, either ActiveX text boxes or form controls depending on complexity. Make sure to name them Search 1 and Search 2 so formulas and macros reference them reliably. You do this because structured tables plus named controls keep ranges accurate and let you wire formulas or VBA to multiple inputs without breaking as rows change. Next, link those inputs to dynamic formulas so results update instantly. If you have Excel 365, use filter with criteria like table call equals search 1 or search wildcards. Otherwise, combine index plus match or sumproduct across helper columns. Once done, reference the control either by its linked cell or direct name, and combine criteria using and logic for all match or for any match scenarios. You do this to avoid heavy macros. Formulas keep recalculation native and transparent to users. Finally, polish the UI and add safety. Create clear buttons that reset both search fields to blank and ensure the result area is formatted as a table or dynamic array. Then protect the sheet UI while unlocking only input controls so users cannot break formulas. Make sure to document accepted input formats and whether searches are case-sensitive. If things go wrong, check the linked cell names, table header spelling, and whether your wildcard or search logic matches the intended fields. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.